Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a virtual cookie exchange open collaboration hosted by Meaghan. So I'm gonna add her Instagram here, and then I'm also gonna put it down in the description box. But I'm also going to show you guys a little bit about her channel. So here it is. And then also be sure to check out the virtual Christmas cookie challenge playlist with a bunch of other people. And guess what? They all have recipes. I have a recipe. Get your pen and paper ready because we're coming to you guys with a bunch of great recipes for you. So join us as we get ready to make some Christmas cookies and exchange recipes so that you guys can have them as well. So I have everything that I'm gonna need. I have my 1 stick of butter that's been out for about 2 hours, my 1 egg, baking powder, the festive sprinkles. I'm gonna use the non-Perriel's, and then I have flour, my sugar, and my vanilla. So I decided to bring out my lovely red mixer because it is Christmas and it's a Christmas color. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this put on and let's get started.
Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one. Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before. I know that we I just need you to know that I want you close. Ooh, ooh, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Boy, don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot.
Things first, for the frosting, we need to add in 2 cups of powdered sugar, right? So we have 1, and the second one. Alright, so there's our 2 cups of powdered sugar. The whole stick of butter that's at room temperature. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of cream cheese that has been softened. I need to add 1 more tablespoon. Right, so there it's been added. Now we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of milk. There we go. What a baking experience it has been. So this is like my 2nd time making these. You can make them for really any holiday. So now that I have it packed and ready to go into the oven, this is gonna go in the oven on 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. When it comes out, let it cool completely, and then you'll see the transformation after. So let's be patient and wait on them to come out the oven.
Just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love.
I made it just right. So now I'm ready to frost in them, but I'm just waiting on them to come out of the oven and cool down. Okay, so the oven has beeped, which means that it is ready. So it definitely looks like exactly how I put it in. I just have to wait on it to cool off and then I can ice it. So winter and holiday items. So here we go. All right, so the cookie is out of the oven. It's nice and cooled off just a little bit. So what you want to do is spread the frosting generously on the cookie bar, and then we'll top it with additional sprinkles. All right, so I have these sprinkles once again. I added some of these into the cookie bars, but now I'm going to add it on top. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of me making Christmas sugar cookie bars, and I hope that you all check out the playlist that is down in the description box down below. Be sure to go out and check out all the other ladies' great Christmas cookie videos, and I hope that you enjoy. Bye.